Hey y'all, Lemon here. Today's gonna be a bit of a weird video, me doing consistency. But yeah, no, I've just been skirting around with 3D modeling, trying to become better at making the human form. This is me videoing of, making a body, the female body. It's quite strange, I know. Well, the thumbnail of this video is going to be my hornet one, which I did not record that far. I mean, I tried to record that far, which I'll kind of just show here, but it just did not work out for the second variant. But the first variant, I think this looks pretty cool. I'm actually going to just, I might just put this as like a, how about this? Here's it right now. Take a screenshot if you like it, and make it your background. If not, well, I mean, just flame me in the comments. I'll be fine with it. I read all comments, don't worry. But yeah, I kind of like reworked this variant of this body like multiple times over, and all of it is shit. It's all just bad. I promise the next video will be something more complete, but for now this is just something to throw out, because why not?
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this